Hello, I'm Mark Rigby, and today I'd like to talk to you about the principles and concepts of centralisation in relation to a mobile workstation, and specifically the Penclic keyboard that's associated with that setup. When I'm talking about centralisation, what we're talking about is working within one's shoulder's width. So what that allows us to do is negate any necessity to overreach and overextend with either our arms, minimising any shoulder and upper limb issues, or equally with your neck, any cervical or neck problems, looking from side to side to various document holders, but strictly staying within the width of our shoulders and centralising all our devices. As you can see here, we have a laptop on a laptop stand. So this is a mobile setup for arguably a home worker or a hybrid worker, or someone works from multiple workstations. Rather than having our laptop sitting on our desk with the screen at the incorrect height, we've got a mobile laptop stand which allows us to bring the laptop to a more appropriate height, and more specifically the screen to a more appropriate height. So that screen now is literally at the right height for myself. If nothing else, it highlights the position of the keyboard and how ineffectual it is, and the central input device associated with the laptop. In this case, it's a trackpad. So as you can imagine, having now raised this laptop to the correct height, it will be wrong of me to continue using this. An element which a lot of people don't realise and often forget is getting a laptop stand is only half of the battle. What you also need to complete the package and complete the ergonomic solution is a laptop stand and a separate keyboard and mouse to be associated with it. What we have here is a Penclic mini keyboard. So again, if we were to centralise this, I would position this here. The litmus test for centralisation of keyboards is B to belly button, so this would be positioned here, with my mouse to the right hand, being a right hand user, and this would be the optimum setup whilst using a laptop. What I like about this Penclic keyboard, it's a sleek Swedish design, low profile, with low profile keys, programmable functionality of those keys, and equally, if you can notice on there, you have 3 additional USB ports for power. As I mentioned, this is a portable device. It's designed to be transportable, lightweight. So at the end of the day, you would literally close your laptop, scissor down that laptop stand, put them in your laptop bag, and then, as always, put in your little keyboard and your mouse, and that's you finished for the end of the day. See you next time, and as always, if you have any questions or queries, feel free to reach out and give us a call.